one mistake people do, they don't know their skin. They just know that this one started this and her one started it because her skin looks perfect, but your skin is not her skin. Her skin is not your skin. So here is a gentle way to use Kojic and lighten your skin. So these bits, they're meant to be on your skin for a long time, so they are gentle. When it comes to the soaps, these two cleansers, they're not gentle, my sister. They'll use, I don't know if you know what I mean, but this you can use every day. So if you want to get into this routine, you have to choose. I'll be a bath babe, you'll be using that. Or I'll be a lotion babes, you'll be using lotions. So if you're using lotions, use this 3 times at night a week. I've said 3 times. This 2 times a week at night. I've said use this routine at night. Use these things at night. And after that, you say the Vaseline or any moisturizer, which is considered to protect your skin, because when using this two, you have to protect your skin because you end up having irritated skin. You irritate your skin if you're using this without you protecting your skin, so you have to use it. It's the Vaseline. I love Vaseline, so I'm going to give example for something which I love. So you're going to use Vaseline or any moisturizer, thick moisturizer, which will help protect your skin barrier. So if you know you want to start a lighting journey in Kojic, it's an easy go for you. It's something which, okay, the other thing is Kojic you can find it in different areas, so it's easy to find. So it's better to use something which you will continue to find. Don't use a product which by next year they stop producing it. What do? So use something that you know you can find everywhere. If you're in another country, everywhere you can go, you can find it. Use that kind of product to start your skin lightening journey. So if you're in your skin lightening journey, babes, and you want to use Kojic, that's the way to go. Additionally, if you're in your lightening journeys, I know that they bring up a package, but you don't have to use it lightening soap, lightening lotion, lightening serum. That's, you overwhelm your body, you overwhelm your skin, so that's not good for your skin. If you have decided you use your serum, lightening serum from top to bottom, use the lightening serum and hydrate your body so that your skin can absorb in a good way. Because you'll find out that you see someone brushed, excuse me, sorry, lighten that. I don't know what to use, but that is it. So you find that you're lighting up and someone has lightened up, but you're different. The other one, the skin looks juicy, and the skin is giving like, I want to be this. And another one is clamped, dry, hyperpigmentation. Doesn't give that vibe that anyone can say this is the best skin. No. So what you have to do, hydrate your skin. Don't really dry. It's best you buy 1 bar, and then at the end of the day, you have a good moisturizer. If you can afford a moisturizer, you can just use this in the Vaseline. Trust me, it will give you a good skin. If you just want to do the hyperpigmentation, use these ones. You can just use it today, and then you use the other week. You find that your hyperpigmentation, you start like slowing down, like your skin. You get your skin back. You're already lighting and you're already lighting skin, babes, and you just want to maintain doing your skin tone, you can just use this once and then you use your Vaseline at night. So I always say at night because I don't once you have used this, it's like the skin, and you expose your skin to sunlight, you're prone to damage because these are actives, so you're prone to damage. So the good time to use this is at night. So bear with me, don't say I didn't warn you. So if you're still watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.